Hi, today I'm ready for Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first open the Google app. Now tap on the right upper corner, then go to the settings and click to Google Assistant section. Then click to Hey Google and Voice Match section, and to turn on Google Assistant Hey Google Assistant option, click once on the switcher. After that, just tap to Next, read the description, yes, I agree, tap to Continue. Not now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. Just to change the voice model, click here to voice model, retain voice model, and repeat after the assistant. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.